So today I am going to share a story that beautifully shows how kindness has the power to change the lives of people. So the name of the story is The Boy Who Shared His Shoes. Now the story begins where a boy named Satish who lived in a town. Now this boy Satish is a privileged child and he was having all sort of facilities that any child could ask for. He loves going to school, he loves taking part in all the co-curricular activities with his friends, and recently he got a new pair of blue bright shoes which becomes his favorite and he proudly wears every day. One rainy morning, while this boy Satish was going to the school, he saw another boy who was sitting under a tree, and the name of the child is Kabir. Now Kabir's clothes were wet and he was barefoot, so he was not having anything on his feet to wear. So this boy Satish, he approached and asked gently to Kabir, "Where are you to wear your shoes?" So here Kabir looked down and softly replied, "My shoes tore yesterday and my parents could not afford to buy new pair of shoes for me. So that's why I am barefoot." Now after listening to Kabir's answer, Satish felt a deep pain inside his heart and he remembered what his teacher always said in the class. Being a good human being means helping others whenever it is possible for you. Here, without thinking twice, Satish removed his shoes and handed them to Kabir. Now here, Kabir says with wide eyes, "These are your new shoes. I cannot take them." After this, Satish smiled and says, "It's okay. I will buy new shoes for me, but at present you deserve these shoes more than I deserve." So now Kabir slowly wore those shoes and the shoes fit in perfectly. And he stood up with a smile, and that smile for Satish was more than anything, because in whole of this act, this was the first time when Satish, felt a sense of happiness or a sense of contentment from his side. So he was very elated, he was very happy, after getting those shoes. So the next day when Satish went to school, and when his teacher noticed that, Satish was not wearing those shoes, so teacher asked out of curiosity that, "Where are your shoes?" Then Satish replied to the teacher that, "I gave my shoes to someone who needed them the most." So after that, everybody applauded for him and says good things about him. And further, teacher added by saying this, "What you did today is true humanity. Kindness is the greatest gift that one can give to anybody." So here the story ends. So what did we learn from this story? If you are blessed with everything in life, or if we are privileged enough to get every facilities that we could think of or ask for, kindly value them and don't forget to extend your heart or hands to help others with that same sense of generosity, because everyone are not blessed or privileged enough the way we are. So what we can do to someone is to help others in every possible manner. So that's it for the day. Thank you everyone for listening to me. Hope this story will give you or will teach you the essence of kindness, which we should embrace in our life, so that we can spread humanitarian ground in everybody's life or in everybody's mind. Bye bye. See you soon.